Hello guys and welcome to TechRix tutorial. In today's video, I will show you the step-by-step tutorial on how to join affiliate in Invideo. So by the end of this video, you will learn how to do them. So without further ado, let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to open our browser right here. And once we open our browser, all we have to do is to type for Invideo affiliate program and then click enter. After that, just click the first link that will pop up on your screen, which is right here. And after that, just click this become an affiliate. After that, you will be asked for your information, company information, and then the promotional information, and then of course the agreements. So let's talk about your information first. So you will be asked to put your full name. So let's use this name for example. So let's put John Robert right there. After that, you will be asked to put your email. So let's say this is the email of johnrobert123@gmail.com. And after that, you will be asked to confirm your email again. So just copy and paste the email that you have put. And then of course the username. So let's put John Robert 23. And then for the password, you will put your password right here. So make sure that you won't forget it, because if you don't forget it, then you won't be able to log into your account. So let's put the password right here. So let's put John Robert 123, just like that, and then John Robert 123 to confirm the password. Once you're done with this, all we have to do is to go here on the company information. So you will be asked to what is your account display name. So let's just say for example that we want to put, and then the company website. So if you have a company website right here, then you will put your domain right here. So let's say for example that this is the domain of John Robert. So if you have your own website, then you put it right here. You can also change it from HTTPS to HTTP. And then you will also put your country. So make sure that it is your country, so you won't have any problem when you withdraw your money or something like that. So I will leave it as it is. So let's say for example that John Robert is living on United States. So let's say we leave it right here. And then you will put of course your address. So let's just put 123 Example Street, that example. And then of course if you have another address that you can put right there, just put it. So let's say for example that is it. And then for the city, for example the city is New York, something like that. And then the state, let's just choose this, New York. And then let's put, so the zip code is from where you are located. So let's say for example that the zip code of New York is 0000. And then that's basically it. Then put your phone number right here. And once you're done with this, you will now be asked on what is the currency that you want to be paid with. So you will have an option which is USD, AUD, Euro, and then of course GBP. So just choose which one you prefer. So I will leave it as it is. And then of course you will be asked on what is your time zone. So since we are living on New York, so let's just choose this US and Canada Central Time. And then for the promotional information, so you will be asked on what kind of business model you have. So you will have this content, reviews, deals, loyalty, creator, network, commerce, media, and such thing. So let's say for example that John Robert is creating a network. So we will choose network right here. So once you're done with this, just go here on the agreements. So you will have the agreements right here on what will be the payout, on what will be the terms and condition once you join the affiliates, on what are the requirements, on how you will be paid out, and then what are the limitations and something like that. So if you pay the sign up bonus right here, you will get a $0. And then if the affiliate is paid with subscription, then you will have the 25% to 50% of the money that they paid. So if you are list from the item, so if the paid subscription is business monthly, then you will have the 50% of order sale amount. But if it is unlimited yearly, you will only have 25% of order sale amount. So for the recurring subscription, so you will also have the 50% of what they paid. So let's say for example that they spend maybe $100, you will get $50 right there. So the limits will be 11 actions per customer and something like that. You will see it of course right here. And then if you scroll down right here, you will see all the agreements, the terms and condition. And once you are now done with this, you can also download the program terms of the Invideo affiliate program. And once you are now done with this, all you have to do is to click this sign up button and then click continue, or you can update your currency if you think that USD isn't your preferred currency. And then Invideo will get back to you shortly. So that is basically it for this video. Thank you guys for watching Tech Tricks tutorial. I hope you learned something, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day, everyone.